Hello, good morning students. Today we are doing the next topic of grammar and the name of the chapter is degrees of comparison. I think when we had studied in the Zoom and online lectures, we people had once gone through this topic degrees of comparison. Mainly there are three degrees of comparison. The first one is positive degree, the second one is comparative degree, and the third one is superlative degree. So we will study that which degree is converted into which degree. Fine. So first of all, it is positive degree to comparative degree. So whenever the question is given to you in the positive degree, it will be converted into comparative degree. When the question is given to you into comparative degree, it will be converted into positive degree. That is vice versa. Positive is converted into comparative and comparative is converted into positive. But if the question given to you is in the superlative degree, it is converted into positive as well as into the comparative degree. See, the table is given over here in the positive degree. So how will you come to know that the given question is in the positive degree or in the comparative degree or in the superlative degree? So if the question given to you has the words like as or so as, then it is treated as a positive degree. If the words like er form of than or tha and than is used in the question, then it is in the comparative form. And if the most or the plus est form of the verb is given, then it is in the superlative form. And how will you start the answer of these? So while converting the positive into converting the positive degree into comparative degree, you can use no other or none or very few. Plus as is also used. In the comparative form, tha and then plus any or all other is used. And in this as well, tha and then plus many or most other is used. And in the superlative form, the plus one of the both the things are used. So how will you compare the three degrees? In the words, if the words as is given to you in the question, then you will have to you should be clicked on your mind that it is in the positive form. If er form or tha and then is used, it is in the comparative form, and superlative form means est or one of them. So let's just have some examples. See, Varsha is more beautiful than Shweta. So it is in the comparative form. See, Varsha is more beautiful than Shweta. So tha and than is used over here. So we can say that more plus than is used over here. So we can say that this degree is in the comparative form. So while converting this degree into positive form, it will be Shweta is not so beautiful as Varsha. You can either write Shweta is not as beautiful as Varsha. You have to change the subject to object and object to subject. Fine. From positive to comparative, we have to change the subject into object's place and object into subject's place. So Shweta is not so beautiful as Varsha is also correct, and Shweta is not as beautiful as Varsha. So in the positive form, so as or as both the words are used. The next example is he is not taller than you, not taller than. So it is also comparative form. So you are as tall as him or he, that is also correct. The next example is bread is more useful than gold. The example is gold is not as useful as bread is also correct, or God is not useful as bread. That is also correct. But the correct option will be God is not as useful as bread. My horse runs faster than your dog. Your dog does not run so fast as my horse. So as is used over here. This man has more buffaloes than cows. So this man does not have as many cows as buffaloes. And the birds fly faster than the eagles. So these are the examples of positive to comparative. That was of comparative to positive. He is as good as Mukesh. So it is in the positive form as is used, and while converting it will be Mukesh is not better than him. Good, better, best, 3 forms आपको पता ही होगा. She is not so beautiful as Neelu. Neelu is more beautiful than her or she. Both are correct. A car runs as fast as a dog. A dog does not run faster than a cat. ER form plus THA, and then birds do not fly so fast as the aeroplane. Aeroplane does not fly. The aeroplane flies faster than the birds. That is correct. Or the aeroplane does not fly faster than birds. He reads as carefully as I do, and I do not read more carefully than he does. The meaning of the sentence should not change. You know her as well as I do, and I do not know her better than you do. I would as soon as die as tell a lie. I would sooner die than to tell a lie. Sooner means they have used the ER form. Or I would rather die than to tell a lie. That is also correct. And he was not as much as honest as money. He has more money than honesty. And these are the examples of superlative into positive as well as into comparative. See, Rani is the prettiest girl in the class. Here we make a comparison using the superlative degree. So Rani is prettier than any other girls in the class. Other girl in the class than is used, so it is in the comparative form. And no other girl in the class is as pretty as Rani, so that is in the positive form. Thank you.